Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your CapCut mobile homepage interface. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut homepage on my phone, and you can see this is the default interface. And if you want to change it, for example, you want to change the this list of menu, so just click on expand first, and you can just press and drag to reorder this menu. So for example, I'm going to drag the outer captions to the top, so just press it and drag it like this. So drag it to the position that you like, and you can also do it for more than one menu. For example, here I'm going to use the AI model like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.